Do you see that fallout? Like, I'm just barely touching it. And there's all that fallout. It's crazy. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I sat down and did like a proper video for you guys. So, as you can tell from the title, you already know what I'm doing today, and I'm sure you guys have seen millions of videos about this already. In today's video, I am playing around with the Conspiracy palette by Shane and Jeffree Star. I got it in, and I haven't had a chance to play around with it yet, so we're gonna do that today. The palette came in this cardboard box that just slides out, and look how amazing this box is. I'm sure you guys have all seen this already. If not, this is what it looks like. It is so cool, just kind of like hypnotizing. The letters are raised. Ignore my nose. I was supposed to do my nose, guys, before I started this video, but completely forgot. It's fine. But yeah, so it's like raised where it says Conspiracy, and it's gold and gold letters, and then it's black and white, and then the back has just like all the names and stuff on it. But yeah, it slides out, and the palette was in here. Also in the packaging, there was also this awesome picture of Jeffree and, oh my gosh, my nails. I just don't look at that. Just don't look at that. But it's a picture of Jeffree and Shane, and this is so cool. And then the back is the palette. Side note, in true Jeffree fashion, I'm wearing my bathrobe while doing this video because why not? But anyway, and the star of this video, the Conspiracy palette. How pretty is this, guys? Look at it. It's raised, so it's got like, there it is. Can you see that? That's the shape of it. Again, ignore my nails. And then it's got these opening things, kind of like a piece of luggage. And then when you open it up, also like it says SD for Shane Dawson, and then the little Jeffree logo's up here. So when you open it up, there's the mirror. Ignore the mirror, but these are the colors. How pretty are those colors, guys? So beautiful. So we've got Ranch, My Pills, Tanacon, Diet Root Beer, Just a Theory, Spiraling, Conspiracy, Pigment, Food Videos, Trisha, Cheese Dust, Flaming Hot, What's the Tea, Diet Cola, Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati, and My Rides Here. So these are all like, if you don't follow Shane, they're very like either things that Shane says, things that Shane does, things that Shane drinks, and things like that, like things that Shane is known for. So if you don't follow him, then you probably don't know. But anyway, the colors are amazing. So no matter if you follow Shane or not, this palette is like just so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do like an eye look today. I already did my face, and just play around with this. I'm gonna put my hair kind of out of my face for a little bit. So let's see. I don't even know what kind of look I want to go for. Like, what should I dip into? This is just theory. I really liked Flaming Hot when I saw it, so I might dip into that. First, I think I'm gonna do My Pills all over. Just Fallout for sure. So we're just gonna take it and put it kind of like all the way. It's a really pretty, like really pretty pinky color, like nudie pink. Very nudie pink. But I think that's nice all over. Alright, so I really like that kind of all over. I think after that I'm going to take a little bit of Flaming Hot. This one has a little bit less of fallout, but I'm gonna put that all over the lid.
Times it hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with them.
I think it's really pretty. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of Diet Root Beer and put it in the crease. Probably the best thing to do is to use different brushes, but I don't have time for that. But they're very like buttery. Like, this is my first time ever using Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows because I've used lipsticks before, just not eyeshadows. But they're very, very smooth, and they're very like buttery. I don't know if that makes sense, but they go on really, really nicely. Like, you don't have to, they don't get all splotchy, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna take Flaming Hot again, just to put it underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of Spiraling and kind of put it in the corner here. Okay, that was not a good idea, guys. That's not a good look. I'm gonna take a little bit of Ranch and just pat it. So I am gonna say these colors have a lot of fallout, guys, okay? So I had to restart because I didn't like the mixture that I was coming up with, so I don't know. So we're just gonna go with this. This color is really pretty. It does have a lot of fallout. But I just want to put like a bright, I'm just using my finger to kind of pat it on here really well. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Tannicon. But like, guys, look. Do you see that fallout? Like, I'm just barely touching it. And there's all that fallout. It's crazy. So let's take that Tannicon color and just put it in the crease. I was doing the Flaming Hot and I really love that color, but then I added Spiraling on top of it and it just did not look good. And that's probably because I'm not doing this right. So just, you know, I'm not using like different brushes and different things like that, but like a normal person like me is not going to sit there with 10,000 brushes to do their makeup. You know what I mean? So I'm just kind of doing my best with what I can. I do love Tannicon. It's a really good like color that can kind of blend all over. Okay, I really do like I want to try all of these colors, but I don't want to mess up again. So I'm going to take a little bit of Just a Theory on my finger because again, it's a shimmery kind of color. And I want to put it like over Ranch.
I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there?
Guys, why do I have yellow on my finger? Oh my gosh, I think it's from work when I was trying to do update our chalkboard that we put outside. We had like this yellow fluorescent type chalk that we were using and it still has not come off. I did not even realize that. All right, I am liking that. I do want to like deepen the crease a little bit, so I'm gonna take, I think, Diet Root Beer and just a little bit more like down here in the crease. I am gonna take Spiraling again and try it out again, but we're gonna put it underneath my eye. I do like it. It's not like my favorite. I think because like my face is just looking so dry right now. It's very hard to like make eyeshadows look good. What about if we try Not a Fact? Just pop it out here.
You wanna be out there. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale.
I'm gonna take a little bit of Not a Fact again and kind of blend it with the bottom because I really like that. Love that. And then I'm gonna take it, I'm going to blend all over. All right, then I'm gonna take my Pills, which is that pinky color, and pop it just like that. Still kind of blend all the colors together, and then Ranch under the brow a little bit. There we go. And back into the tear duct area. Oh my gosh, guys, my dark circles are terrible. Please give me advice on what to do because I cannot deal with them. Okay, blending everything kind of together. What about if I add, oh, I really wanted to try pigment. That's pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. Just a little bit like right there. I'm gonna take my brush and just kind of blend everything again. Everything blends really, really nicely. That's one thing about these shadows, that I really love how they blend. Okay, I think that's everything that we can try without, let's put my rides here a little bit. It's black, just under here again. Oh my gosh, hold on. I'm using Just a Theory as sort of like a highlighter. How it, oh, that kind of works. It's kind of dark, but oh my gosh, I'm crazy. Okay, I'm gonna add some mascara just real quick. All right, guys, I think that is my final look with the palette. Okay, so final thoughts on the palette. Not that I have it on my face. I don't have any lipstick on, so let's just ignore that. But I am really liking how it turned out, like on my eyes. I think it's really pretty. I love these colors. What do you guys think? I mean, for someone who literally all I do is my own makeup, I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything like that, I think for me, it turned out pretty cute. I like it. My only thing is, number one, there is a lot of fallout. So like, if you guys, obviously if you own the palette, you probably already know. Yeah, some of these colors have definitely lots of fallout, so I would definitely recommend doing your eye makeup if you're going for like a bold makeup look, then doing your eyes first and then like cleaning up under your eyes and doing concealer and foundation and all that. My face has been, or my foundation has been kind of not the greatest, so I need a new foundation. But besides that, I think the colors blend really, really nicely. They're very smooth, they're very like buttery. I really enjoy like moving them around. Tip, don't try to put all of the colors in the palette on your eyes at the same time. Maybe pick a few because you know, you can't have them all. You can't. But I think there's definitely really nice combinations that you can make with this palette. There's definitely lots of like, you know, base colors, and then you can add on the brighter colors afterwards. I would love to put this not a fact purpley color like all over the lid. I think that'd be really pretty. Doing a dark kind of like intense eye. You can also just do like a very, very subtle everyday eye look with these brownie shades up here and that pinky, like my Pills. It's a super like light pink color. What's the tea? I haven't even dipped into, but I feel like that's a really nice minty color. And yeah, I think they're all really pretty. Overall, I still love the palette. I can't wait to do more looks with it and enjoy it. And I still definitely love the concept of it and all the colors in here. are really, really pretty. Maybe use more than one brush. That's just a blend. This is just like a blending brush. So I'm probably using the wrong brush as well, because you can probably use a flat top brush to like pack it on and all that. But like, you guys go ahead and watch all of those amazing reviews that are out there of like makeup artists who are doing an amazing job with this. But overall, for me, for my everyday life, I love it, I enjoy it, and it's definitely gonna be loved on for sure. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know what you thought of it. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your comments down below. Do you have the conspiracy palette? Have you ordered it? What do you think of it? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.